Alright, so here's another example of solving a quadratic by completing the square. For this one, we will give an a value. We'll say 2x squared minus 8x equals 10. Now, a couple different things about this one than the last example I did. This one has an a value, of 2. And on this side, sorry, I forgot to write the x there. And on this on this problem, the 10's already on the right side, so we don't have to move the c value over. But for all practical purposes, it's already on the other side. So when you have an a value and you're going to complete the square, the very first thing you're going to do is, no matter what that a value is, divide it out of each term. Get rid of it. So we have solid x squared. Now, no matter what the a value is, even if it's just negative x squared, divide out negative 1. If it's 10, divide out 10. Sometimes doing that, you're going to create some pretty ugly fractions, but if you get ugly fractions, you just got to deal with it. It's part of completing the square. Alright, from here, it's the exact same process as before. You're going to take b, you're going to divide it by 2, you're going to square it, and that's the term you're going to add to the left and right side. So b is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 2 squared. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. I'll actually write it there that time. Good old positive 4. So add 4 to this side, add 4 to that side, and start factoring and simplifying. 5 plus 4 is 9. This factored is going to be x minus 2 squared. If you're curious at how fast I'm able to factor that, this term right here is always just b divided by 2, and you keep the sign. So from there, square root each side. I'm writing more and more on a diagonal. Let's try to fix that. So I'll have x minus 2 equals plus or minus 3. Setup is, do the rest of the work over here. Set up two different equations. X minus 2 equals 3. X minus 2 equals negative 3. And add 2 to each side to get your x values. That was at negative 3. Let's make that a little darker. So x equals 5 and x equals negative 1. There are your two solutions gotten by completing the square.